Hi guys, I'm the Recruiting Maven and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic of discussion is artificial intelligence. Yes, AI. I just wanted to boil it down to very simple terms because I remember quite a few years ago when there was that whole thing about the cloud. Where's the cloud? Has anybody seen the cloud? Does anybody know where the cloud is? And really what it was essentially was just your computer tower that normally sits underneath your desk, whether at work or at home. And that was really somewhere else, located somewhere else, maintained by a company. And that's really where the cloud was. It was just another server, just not sitting at, underneath your desk. And it just seemed like, the media played it up so much that, it was just so confusing to so many people. So just wanted to let you know that you've been using artificial intelligence for quite a while. Google Maps is a prime example of that, as well as, Waze, I'm sure. Whatever map application that you're using is AI. So what that essentially means is that it integrates the information you're requesting, with specific instructions. Like, I know that when I get in my car nowadays, my phone knows exactly that I'm in my car. So that's also artificial intelligence in conjunction with global positioning or GPS, right? And then more recently, iPhone came out with a revision iOS 11, and now it shuts down my data usage. And so I have to go and manually turn it back on to be able to use my maps. So there's a little bit of a bug fix, I would say, on that one. That should just stay on. But that's just me. With that said, that integration, of the directions and the verbal communication and the rerouting, and then all of a sudden if you ask it to find you the nearest Starbucks or the nearest In-N-Out or whatever it is, a Home Depot, then it'll do that for you. In addition, AI is quite intelligent in being able to route nowadays, whether it's Google Maps again or Waze or any of those other apps that you're using, to find you the fastest route at that time in that area that you're in to get to your destination. So, that's essentially AI in an everyday usage. Something that when, a good example that when somebody asks you, you can go, I know what that is. Let me give you an example. So you can use that. But again, it's a lot of apps like, the connectivity aspect of it, the IoT, the Internet of Things, when you're using an app on your phone and it connects to your garage door and it opens it up via the app, that connectivity is also included in that. So we've been using that for quite a while, and again, people are just not realizing what it is. They don't label as it is. They just think, again, AI is a robot. So hopefully this was helpful to you and understanding how our world has already changed. It's not going to change now. It's not getting ready to change. It's already changed. And I hope you understand that and know that, because there's certainly a lot more changes on the way. And so hopefully you'll come back and we can have some meaningful discussions about those changes and try to work through them and address some of those changes together. I appreciate you sharing and liking, especially on Facebook. My Facebook crowd is awesome, as well as my LinkedIn followers. You guys are awesome as well. Thank you for liking and sharing. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell to get notifications every time I upload. I wish you the very best of day and a great rest of your week. Take care.